Blind Bag Friday! Blind Bag Friday! Blind Bag Friday! Yeah! Well, hello, everybody! Welcome to the Fizzy Toy Show! Check it out! Oh, yeah! We have all kinds of blind bags, blind boxes, mashems, and fashems! Oh! So, Miss Hands is gonna pick out 4 to open up! Oh, Miss Hands, I cannot wait a moment longer! Let's get this Blind Bag Friday party started! Yeah! Hi everyone, and welcome to Blind Bag Friday and the Fizzy Toy Show! Today we have a ton of blind bags, blind boxes, mashems, and fashems! And we have our Build-A-Bear, Batman Bear, and Bob joining us today. We just did a little Build-A-Bear show, so make sure you check that out. Alright, let's go ahead and fill up Wilma, and then we'll pick out 1, 2, 3, 4 of these, and open them up. Say hi, Wilma. We have some Pez dispensers joining us today. We just did a show where we opened all these up. You should go check them out. So we have Wilma, and she is loaded with stuff, guys. I'm gonna reach in here and pull out 4. Let's see what we got. Feels like a box. Ooh, yes, we got the Disney figural keyrings, Series 2. Time to reach back in again. This feels different. Oh yeah, it's an Ugglys pet shop. Woohoo! In we go. What is this? Oh, I love these, you guys. It's one of the pocket pork dumplings. Yay! These are so cute. Back in we go for number 4. How about a bag? Oh yeah, it is a Minecraft Series 2 hanger. We have a bunch of awesome blind bags and blind boxes to open today. And you know what? I'm gonna open 5 because I want to throw this into the mix. We got this from XY Adventures. They sent us a surprise package. It's a Super Mario dog tag. Oh yeah. So let's get started with this. Awesome! It came with a Mario card. Check out Mario. He's on the run. And it tells you a little bit about Mario. Whoa, we got this crazy sticker. Oh! Check out our dog tag. It is Mario. He's looking so cool. I love how shiny these are. Awesome. And Mario is number 6. Alright guys, let's open up. Oh my gosh, I love everything. How about we open up the Disney figural keyring? Oh yeah. So again, this is Series 2, and it has so many awesome ones that you can get. Ooh, I'd like to get Pooh or Sally or Olaf. Okay, there's a lot I'd like to get. Let's dig into it. Who did we get? Who did we get? Wiggle, wiggle, whoa! We got Anna! Oh my goodness, you guys. How awesome is it that we got Anna? We just had an Anna surprise egg. Here it is right here. Woo! Look how cute she is. I love her little eyes. Oh, her little mouth and her braids. Look at her. Oh, her little dress and cape. She is adorable. Love her. Mwah! Oh, she does not want to stand up. She's leaning on an Uggly. That's better, Anna. All right, how about we get into some Minecraft? Woo, 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 woo. I feel like we haven't opened Minecraft in a while. Too long. I'm hoping we can find some of the Series 3 soon. Let's see who we got in here. Awesome. What is this? I've never gotten this before, guys. So that is the chest. Let's check it out again. Oh, Miss Hands, you cannot open it? No, I can't. It looks like you should be able to. But it's still pretty cool looking. Yes, it is. Let's take another look at it. Woo! Here's a chest. So it looks super cool. It looks like you should be able to open it right here. Oh, I wish you could. Let me try again. You can open it. Yay! So that's pretty cool. I could keep some of my little Minecraft figures inside of this chest. That would be awesome sauce. Oh yeah. Let's check out these Ugglys. Ooh, they are so ugly. So there's 2 inside, and I'm just starting to see these in stores here in the US. I know they've had them in the UK and other places, but we're just getting them. Ooh, By the way, did you guys see Wacky 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 Wednesday? We had the barfing beagle Uggly on the egg. Check it out. It was one ugly and wacky show. All right, let's see who we got in here. This should pop open. Oh, maybe not. This is the corgi. Oh, let me look up its name. It's the royal naughty corgi that we got in our Ugly show on Wacky Wednesday. And grossest, you find naughty corgi. Oh my goodness, look. So maybe he ate, I think I've seen in a picture in his barf, there's some jewels in there, like he ate some of the royal jewels. In case you don't know, the Queen of England has corgis, so that's why he is royal with his crown on. Ooh, and we got a sticky one. I think it's a sticky one. I haven't seen this one before. Let's find out who it is. Oh my gosh, and hairiest, this is Poopy Sharpoo. I think that's supposed to be poop on his head. Oh no, that is so gross. And I was touching it, yuck. Oh man. So look, it looks more like a poodle. So maybe they mean Sharpoo. It's like a Shar-Pei poodle mix and that's not poo-poo. I don't know what's going on. All I know is it's pretty nasty. He's got a big old snot problem, a little bit of a barf problem too. I think we have a friend that would like to say something about those Ugglys. Alright, that guy is just too nasty. We still have one more blind box to open, and it's one of my favorites lately. It is a pocket pork dumpling. Oh, my hands! I love pocket pork dumplings. Can we get some more? Yes, Fizzy, we're gonna get more and probably make a pocket pork dumpling egg. Oh my goodnesses! That is super awesome chocolate sauce! Oh my god! It's okay. Totally worth it for pocket pork dumplings. Now open it up! You heard Fizzy. Let's get into this little pocket pork dumpling box. Oh, it's so cute. So it looks like a Chinese carry-out box. And here are all the delicious flavors. We got that little pink one with the bow on it last time. And they're all 2 and 20, so we have an equal chance of getting all of them. So here's the cute little sticker that's on top. I just love that. And it comes with this little sticker. So cute. Let's see who we got. Oh, wow, you guys. This one, I don't know if you can tell by looking at it. It's kind of velvety, like velour or velvet. And it's gray. Its little eyes make me think it's not very happy. Oh, so cool. Ooh. Well, this is really awesome. You guys want to see more? I hope so, because I think I'm going to show you more. Woo! We got so much cool stuff today. I love it all. But if I had to pick a favorite, I would pick Anna. Who is your favorite? All right, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. We got so many awesome surprises! Who's your favorite, Fizzy? Oh! I have to pick just one. I think it's the pocket pork dumpling! So cute and so fuzzy! Fuzzy, fizzy, fizzy, fuzzy, bah! Alright, guys. If you like Blind Bag Friday and you want to see some more, give me some thumbs up in the air like you just don't care! Yeah! And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so I can show you more Blind Bag Fridays and more cool toys. Okay?